Kilauea Volcano in Hawaii is once again showing signs that another major eruption could be approaching. Although the volcano's latest summit eruption has temporarily paused, scientists from the U.S. Geological Survey's Hawaiian Volcano Observatory say the volcano continues to recharge beneath the surface. Ground deformation, volcanic gas emissions, and persistent volcanic tremors all indicate that magma is still accumulating below Halemaʻumaʻu Crater. The most recent eruption, known as Episode 51, produced spectacular lava fountains that soared thousands of meters into the sky. During the peak of the event, towering jets of molten rock illuminated the night, creating one of the most dramatic displays seen during Kilauea's ongoing eruptive sequence. According to the latest observations from the USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory, the volcano has resumed inflating after a brief interruption. Inflation occurs when magma rises beneath the surface, causing the ground around the summit to swell slowly. This process is one of the strongest indicators that pressure is building inside the volcano. Based on updated deformation models, scientists now estimate that Episode 52 could begin between July 29 and July 31. Forecasts continue to evolve as new monitoring data become available, meaning the timing could still change if inflation speeds up or slows down. Researchers explain that the summit tilt meter at Uekahuna has already recovered 11.1 microradians of inflation after Episode 51 caused approximately 14.7 microradians of deflation. In simple terms, the volcano has regained much of the pressure that was released during the previous eruption, suggesting that fresh magma is once again filling the underground reservoir. Scientists observed a bright glow throughout the night from the south vent, with occasional bursts of intense light. The north vent also remained illuminated, although its glow was weaker and steadier. These glowing vents indicate that extremely hot magma remains close to the surface. Volcanic tremors also continue beneath the summit. These continuous vibrations are produced by moving magma and volcanic gases inside the volcano. While tremors occasionally increased in intensity, no earthquakes were detected beneath Kilauea's summit during the past 24 hours, suggesting that the magma is rising relatively smoothly rather than breaking surrounding rock. Current sulfur dioxide (SO2) emissions are estimated to range between 1,000 and 5,000 metric tons per day, which falls within the normal range observed during pauses between eruptive episodes. Winds carried the volcanic gas plume toward the southwest, meaning communities downwind could experience volcanic haze, commonly known as VOG, depending on weather conditions. Scientists continue to monitor these gas emissions closely because changes in gas output often provide valuable clues about magma movement beneath the volcano. While activity continues beneath the summit, there are currently no signs that magma is migrating into Kilauea's East Rift Zone or Southwest Rift Zone. Ground deformation in both regions remains very low, and sulfur dioxide emissions are below detectable levels. This suggests that volcanic activity remains concentrated beneath Halemaʻumaʻu rather than spreading into other parts of the volcanic system. One of the strongest signs that another eruption may be approaching is the rapid transition from summit deflation back to inflation immediately after Episode 51 ended. During an eruption, pressure inside the volcano decreases as magma escapes to the surface, causing the ground to sink slightly. Once the eruption ends, magma from deeper underground begins refilling the reservoir, causing the summit to rise again. This repeated cycle has become one of the defining characteristics of Kilauea's ongoing eruption. Scientists also note that persistent glowing vents, continuous volcanic tremor, and ongoing gas emissions all suggest that magma remains very close to the surface. These conditions increase the likelihood that another lava fountaining episode could begin with little warning. The USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory continues to monitor Kilauea around the clock using an extensive network of GPS stations, tilt meters, seismic instruments, gas sensors, webcams, and satellite observations. Although there is currently no indication that Kilauea is preparing for a large caldera-forming eruption, the volcano remains highly active. Future eruptive episodes could begin with relatively little warning as underground pressure continues to build. For now, scientists say all available data point to one conclusion: Kilauea is recharging once again. If inflation continues at its current rate, the volcano could soon produce episode 52 and send spectacular lava fountains high into the Hawaiian sky.